Hi, this is Jake. In this video I'm going to be going over the Dates app inside of the Power Up apps. Now the Date app allows you to calculate a specific date. So let's explore this. You can either calculate a date um, by adding to an existing date that you already have, or subtracting from it as well. So you can potentially add on 7 days to a specific date, or weeks, or whatever you want there. And you can do the same thing with subtracting from it. Also, you have the ability to find the difference between dates. So you can use an Infusionsoft field and say, hey, I want to figure out the difference between this, maybe their birthday and some other day, and it could be a fixed date, or it could be today's date. So probably the more common one is that you might want to figure out the number of days between maybe someone's upcoming expiration date or webinar date and maybe the current date. So this could tell you like the number of days between there. Or you could do a specific fixed date if you wanted to, or once again another Infusionsoft field if you're comparing it off of that. But typically the ones we've seen is usually today's date. And then you can store this as days or weekdays, weekend days, so that you have a number of options to choose from here: weeks, months, years. And you can then store that in there and then store the result specifically in a specific field that you might set up. Like, for example, we could even use this, even though we have an age calculator, you could set this up to calculate someone's age based upon today's day and the years. Or you could do like the number of months, weeks, days they all are old, the number of weekdays in between those dates. So anyways, there's a lot you can do with that. And then you just give it a name up here. So this could be something like age calculator or whatever you wanted it to be. And then you would just add that. And then from there, you would get the HTTP post URL right here. And you would copy this. And this is where you would plug this in into an HTTP post inside of Infusionsoft right here. So send an HTTP post. By default, it'll look like this. You'll just paste in the URL right here, and then you're done. And then that will trigger this script to run for that specific contact and calculate that date however you configured it, and store the result in that specific field. So that's pretty much it for the Dates app. Let us know if you have any questions by emailing us or requesting a feature. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.